I am quiet. I am quiet. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am dirty. I am dirty. I am loud. I am loud. I am loud. I am bad at math. I am bad at math. I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am sad today. I am sad today. I am cold. I am cold. I am busy at work. I am busy at work. I am friendly. I am friendly. I am lost. I am lost. I am strong. I am strong. I am strong. I am bored. I am bored. I am bored. I am clean. I am clean. I am clean. I am weak today. I am weak today. I am brave. I am brave. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am loud. I am loud. I am loud. I am helpful. I am helpful. Furium store, I am helpful. I am bad at math. I am bad at math. I am old. I am old. I am old. Am old. I am tired now. I am tired now. I am good at English. I am good at English. I am angry now. I am angry now. I am calm. I am calm. I am cold. I am cold. I am happy. I am happy.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for more fun lessons.